Yes, pakupisa. So this post ndaona pazimseleb. So tisatapinda munyaya. This time ndoda kutanga nengoverenga ma-comments. Nganimboverenga ma-comments. Waiza, ndaverenga ma-comments arapa yabududze kuti. Then tozotaura nyaya yedu. Just a few of the comments ari kubuda mu-comment section. Hanzi dai vanhu vese vari kuita zvesex izvi vangosungwa havo. And some people vachiti ngatisiyei vana vakure ava. Vamwe vachiti saka malodge akuda zvitupa. Vamwe vachiti ndaona pafiwa kupinda mbesi mazuva ano kwakutoda chitupa nepassport. And vamwe ndo vari kuti be a man enough to know the difference between a child and a lady. Why have sex with someone who can't think for themselves? Underwear yacho yauri kutobvisa akatotengerwa namama. Chiri ipapo sungai futi na landlord because ndiye ane zita riri pa-ownership yebase. Yes. Yeah, ne pane pakupisa apa I feel like apa ndo pari kunyatsopisa apa is. So there is a new lawyer iswa yekuti if you are having sex ne underage, okay, generally zvagara if you have sex with an underage unosungwa iyo itori crime wise. But now if you are having sex ne underage inini ndikapa munhu base and they have sex ne underage anosungwa, which I feel is the right thing. Wise for me I feel like, I don't know what you guys think. I feel like if ukapa munhu base and then they sleep ne munhu ane underage anofana kusungwa, yes, or they rape munhu ane underage are underage or they rape a person munofana kusungwa mese iwewe accomplice wachona. And then the new law is called complicity sexual crimes. But pane pasiri kunzwikwa nevanhu pandaona pandaverenga the whole thing. What is it? It's saying inini ndikapa munhu base bebe rake zvekuti, for example, a friend of mine ane bebe rake and the girl is above age, maybe 20 years, 25, 28, and nemfesi wake ndovapa base and they go together vachitowirirana. Then osvika ikoko, you know how those rape cases be like, kuti munhu anoona osvika vawirirana and then girl feels like hanchad and then the guy forces up. That's rape, handiti iti yobva yatorekodwa serape. Remember, iwewe ndiwe wawapa base. Now you are an accomplice, whether ari above underage wakutosungwa. Saka basically tikunzi musape vanhu mabase. So tell me, what do you think? Kuti, is the government saying musape vanhu mabase kana kuti what's going on? Because I've given base to a friend of mine, both of them very above underage, kuti maybe they're 25, 26. Base very true. Nangova po, they want a room for themselves. Nangova po, and then shit happens. And then shit happens again, like that. Yes, it's rape, and it's face to sungwa for raping the girl. Yes, but kwenini tukupinda papi pa. Take him to jail. Give him his years. I just gave him. Okay, let me read the whole thing more, and then you tell me, what do you think? No, I'm in section 2 of section 76 MTM. Complicity in sexual crimes. For the avoidance of doubt, it is declared that any person who part A, being the owner or occupier of any premises, knowingly permits another person on the premises to commit rape, aggravated indecent assault, sexual intercourse, or performing any indecent act with a young person, sodomy, bestiality ndoyana bestere inondivare, or sexual intercourse within a prohibited degree of relationship. Yeah, peace. So they're saying ukangopa munhu base shit and then papaitika sexual assault, rape, kumanikidzwa, kumbunyikidzwa, anything, either munhu yeye ari underage, ari above age, pangoitika any sexual assault, harassment, yes, kumba kwako kubesera wavapa, you are in for fire. Uri kusungwa, you are an accomplice pa crime. So tell me, what do you think, guys? Is this okay or not okay? Is it okay? What do you think?